Here the ball has been picked up. It's going to be dropped. Currently we are at 58, now 59 minutes. There you can see I've been timing from the beginning. 59 minutes. So it's very accurate. Here you can see these are all the 5 minutes, counting all the way to 55. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 59. And what happens is it's going to fill here, and no ball is going to go there, which is going to tip this down and around, and it's going to fill up a new ball down here at the bottom. So let's see. Let's bring in a ball. Remember, we are currently at 59 minutes, going on an hour. Let's watch it. It's going to be noisy. It's going to be great. And there we go. One more ball has been added. And now there's a little gadget that it hits there, and then the rest of the balls go down. There we go. And now they all line up again, ready to be used to count down the next hour. And it counts to 12 hours.